Oh yeah.
I hit
You
it.
hit it.
I hit
You
it.
hit it.
I hit it.
You hit it. See if you can hit it, Nat. Put the gun right. Put the gun right.
Oh.
So it won't hit you in the eye. Spray your feet a little bit. So you want rocking a little bit. And lean forward a little bit. You see where the bullet went? Pull it back. Don't push it back. Don't push it forward so fast because the bullet. You see the bullet popped out.
That's how you did it the second time.
Just wait, hold it and let it go back smooth. You already got one in there. You good? Your shot don't breathe either. It'll stop you from moving. You hit it? It look like you hit it. I think you hit the stick. I don't think you hit. You don't hit the. You ain't hit the target. Yeah, you hit the stick that's holding it. Pull it back. You gotta pull it back some more. All right. A little slower next time.
You said don't breathe. I know you can think
Yeah, you hit it. That was not that. Not that.
Where you at?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit that motherfucker.
Where we was at just now? About right there. You take 10 steps back. About right here. Huh?
Two shots apiece. Two. What's this for?
That's just if you walking and you get tired of holding it, put that thing right there. Like you shooting the top.
What is blood go to?
Nah, no sir. Maybe try again next year.
Come on, man. Watch this. We gotta get him. We gotta get him in.
Uh-huh.
I gotta see him. I gotta see this. I gotta see this.
I hit it. Y'all wouldn't let that go first. I would hit it.
I wanted to. Let's see my guy. He hit that motherfucker spinning. Yeah, too. He hit that motherfucker spinning.
See what it do.
I'm gonna come out. He's already one in the head.
Come on, Rex. You gotta do it.
I got y'all.
You gotta do it, huh?
Rex.
Take your time to turn. I got like 3 phones. I'll put that bitch on 3
Ain't
this
nothing
time.
even in this motherfucker.
Ain't nothing in it. About 75 yards out. We got racks on the rifle.
Right. Swing it. But watch it.
When you load it back, hold on. Lean it over like that so it won't pop out. Now pull it back. Now push it in there. You seen it go in there? Hold on. You got 2 in there now.
Get up, bitch up.
Just pull it back. Boom. Pull it back. Now lean it over.
You gotta lean over.
Smack it.
Don't pull the trigger.
Pull this back. Get your hand out the trigger. Pull this back right there.
Let me see.
There you go. Now smack it. Yes.
Get that bitch up.
Do it one more time.
You got that one.
All right, now just push that one in slow. All right, now you good money.
All right.
What, the button? Yeah. When you cock it, you gotta hold it. Snatch it down too, and then snatch it back up. Yeah. Oh, you had to lay it to the side. You gotta lay it on the other side. But you got one in there now.
What you want me to hit?
I want to hit something different. I want to hit that thing ready, man. Yeah. Let's see. Oh man. Hold this nut.
Huh?
Hold this nut. Let's get some distance on it.
go right there.
Man, make it too easy.
You feel me?
Probably best if you hold it straight up. Turn it back the other way. There you go. Now push it in up. What's in there, ain't it?
Die.
Fuck out that motherfucker.
Die.
Fuck out that motherfucker. Now your turn. Let me goddamn. Let me go see.
Yeah, bitch. Yeah, them pellets in that motherfucker.
Pellets in there?
Inside that
Oh, you see that shit?
inside yeah. That's what it
The
is.
pellets is bone head. You see it right there? Wait, big picture. Okay. Alright, down the mother.
Yeah, that's where I shot it from.
Shit like this, shoot that bit like that. Like this.
Yep.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
No way you missed that, Matt.
Let me do that bit again. Hold on.
No way you missed that, Matt. You got hundreds of BBs coming out of that motherfucker.
Face it to us, like the back.